Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how a startup actually use AI in real product. Everyone is talking about AI, but how do a startup actually use AI in real product? Okay, so let's break it down in simple way. If you are building an startup or planning one, you don't need to build your own AI model. You just need to use AI smartly. In this video, I will show you real way startup use AI. So, for example, AI for chatbot. Okay, so many startup use AI chatbot to talk to the user. Okay, like for example, customer support, answering question, onboarding users. This save time and reduce the support cost. You don't need a big team anymore. And AI for recommendations. Startup use AI to suggest things to user. For example, products, video or content. This keeps user engaged and increase the sales. Even a small startup can use simple AI tool for this. Okay, or you can or AI for automation. AI help automate boring task. Okay, AI help automate boring tasks. Example, emails, data entry and reports. This saves hour of manual work. Startup become faster without hiring too many people. Okay, and AI for personalizations. AI helps show different content to different user. For example, personalized homepage, emails, notification, user feel the product, understand them. Okay, and AI for data analysis. A startup use AI to understand data. Example, user behavior, trends, and prediction. This help founder make better decision. Okay, and AI for content creation. A startup use AI to create the content. Marketing copy, for example, marketing copy, social media post, image, this save images. Okay, and this saves time and money. So the reality is AI is not magic. You still need a clear problem and good data. Without that, AI will not help your startup. You need a clear problem and good data. Without that, AI will not help your startup. So startup don't just use AI randomly. They use AI to solve a specific problem like support, automation and personalization. Okay, so if you want more simple startup and AI content, follow and subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care.